Hello everyone, welcome to Teacher Sprintout. In this video, we are going to learn about definite articles with examples. Definite article "the" is used before the name of things unique of their kinds. For example, the sun rose at 6:17 this morning. You can go anywhere in the world. I love watching the sky. The earth revolves around the sun. The ocean is beautiful. The is also used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Let's go to the park. The postman is coming. The house had a big garden. The girl cried. It is used when refer to a group of class or people. For example, the cow is a useful animal. The Indians enjoy spicy food. She has given money to the poor. The cat loves comfort. We use the before the name of mountain range, river, desert, ocean, book, etc. For example, I went for river rafting in the Ganga. The Bible is a holy book. The Pacific Ocean has many islands. The Himalayas are known for their breathtaking beauty. Exploring the Sahara is an adventurous journey. The is also used before superlatives or ordinal number. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. This is the best movie I have seen. The first chapter of the book is very interesting. He was the 9th man to arrive. We also use the before the countries that includes the words republic, kingdom or state in their name. For example, the United Kingdom is a country of Northwest Europe. The United States is a country of North America. The Czech Republic has a rich history. The Republic of France is famous for art. The is also used with the newspaper's name and also with countries that have plural name. For example, The Times of India is the best newspaper I have ever read. The Hindustan Times reports on current events. Many people visit the Philippines for its islands. The Netherlands is known for its beautiful canals. If you want to clear your all doubts on indefinite articles A and, please watch my last video. The link has been given in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more new updates.